Capricorn people born under the sign of Capricorn, the year 2025 may be highly beneficial for resolving past issues. You may be able to move past issues that you have struggled with for a while. Also, the family's ongoing conflict will soon settle. Change is also possible if you try switching jobs, careers, etc. Additionally, business may go through change. Additionally, launching a new business will be possible. You'll continue to have a very powerful mind. Your capacity for making decisions will grow. From somewhere in between, good news can also be heard. In spite of all of this, after May, it would be prudent to continue to be vigilant in areas of family and finances. Since Rahu will begin to affect the second house in May, even though Saturn has been removing its influence from it since March. As a result, while the issues will be fixed to a greater extent than before, there may still be some small disruptions, particularly in the areas of family and finances. It would be advisable to use caution in these situations. Before the middle of May, this is a good season for romantic relationships. Additionally, it will be advantageous for matters pertaining to marriage and married life. But after mid-May, the time will be less beneficial for these matters. For the most part, the whole year will benefit the pupils in some manner.